Hello, welcome to our event. Thank you so much for sharing your most precious time with us. I know some familiar faces here today. Thank you for coming for our event. So my picture was taken like 10 years ago. Okay, so I'm here to discuss to you how we're moving to the next or the new era of enterprise management. But before I begin my discussion, I'd like to tell you a story. It's actually a personalized story. So a long, long time ago, no, kidding aside, it was like 8 or 10 years ago, I had this beautiful discussion with one of my customer. So he was telling me, I was pitching back the ERD, the Enterprise Resource Planning application. So he was telling me, Beth, this guy is a chairman of the board and a major here, shareholder of a big company here in the Philippines. So he was telling me, Beth, I'm using a very robust ERP application. It can help my people do their day-to-day tasks like sending out invoices to my customers and sending out statement of accounts and recording all the finance transaction in the system. It is a very robust application. But the problem is my finance people can only give me my financial reports 2 or 3 months right after. So to me, this ERP application that you're pitching to me is like a pit hole. So everything comes in, every record is recorded, put in that pit hole, but nothing's coming out. So it's like, what does it mean to me as the owner of the company? So there's nothing I could then forget. The financial statements that my customers, my people are giving me is no longer relevant. I don't know if uh, they are even correct because they are outdated information. And this is what we are changing in today's new era of enterprise management. So I would say I'm more proud to talk about the enterprise management solution of SAP today. So our purpose has always been to help the world run better and improve people's life. We understand our customer that they are facing a lot of challenges and a lot of opportunities also with the change in this technology innovation that is happening already. The speed of innovation is requiring them to change the way they do business, and they need to change at a faster rate along with the innovation. So SAP as a company has been in the heart of innovation. We are listening to customers like you. We are trying to understand your requirements, and we're delivering solution to help you adapt and thrive. And we are also helping you navigate digital transformation, be it in the ERP space or be it the other lines of business that you have. And I would say SAP is more ready than before. So these are the typical leaders like you. Leaders in the organization, like for example, the CFO, would need to balance between growth and profitability. Your chief procurement officer would want them to have the best product and services with the most optimal cost. And your CHRO, your human resource officer, they're actually managing talents in an evolving workforce. It's a mix of the young ones and the matured ones. I would not say the old ones because I am mature, not old. Okay? And of course, CIOs like you would want to modernize your IP while keeping innovation alive for the organization. But if you look at it closely, the true challenge lies on how all of these processes are interconnected. Because one disruption in one line of business, for example, disruption in supply chain, will have a ripple effect to the whole organization. And this interconnected complexity is asking us to do a big shift. And that is moving towards the new era of enterprise management. So if you look at transformation, actually, the heart of it would be AI. Today, at today's context, the heart of it would be AI and system of agents. These agents go beyond basic automation. They actually work together hand in hand so that you're able to address the challenges real time based on the current business context. So imagine, for example, your finance agents, these AI agents, would actually seamlessly coordinate with your supply chain to reroute, say, logistics in real time. This will have an effect on the workforce agent for them to adjust their staffing based on, say, based on the shifting needs of your production, but still keeping your business up and running at the peak of its performance. However, AI alone is not enough. It's never enough. Okay. Though it's the bus today, but AI is not enough. It needs to start with a very solid foundation. And the foundation is our application, robust application, which will uh, carry out your mission critical processes, right? And that application is actually the backbone of your transformational insight. And that transformational insights are data. These are unified and trusted data to help you have the right insight for your business. So the seamless combination of these three, the seamless combination of your application, your data, and AI actually sets the stage for this new era of enterprise management. Now, let's look closely at the systems of AI agents. So what is this actually, Bex? Though my colleague Lyndon will talk about this in more detail later, think of this as a specialized AI service. So, specialized artificial intelligence service for your finance, procurement, supply chain, and HR. They actually work together, communicating with each other and learning in real time. So, unlike standalone bots, we are all familiar with robotics, right? So, unlike standalone bots, these agents work in a coordinated network, which is orchestrated by Joule. So imagine if there's a change in demand, for example, there's an increase in demand from your customer, it will ask the supply chain agents to reallocate resources, right? Because there's an increase in demand. Also, it will have an impact on your finance to update predictions. And thus, it will require your workforce agent to actually recommend additional staffing. So the result, if you look at it closely, the result is like an enterprise reacting on the fly, meaning they are able to provide insights right away, simultaneously. Okay. So uh, the process that in the past, it takes long hours to do that, to do all this coordination. But this is automatically done now, simultaneously with the use of AI. But no matter how advanced your AI is, it will really not work for you. You need a trusted data and reliable processes. So this is what we're delivering with our SAP Business Suite. So uh, through our SAP application, we're giving you the entire business value chain. Your record to report, your procure to pay, your what else? Your supply chain processes, all of these are handled by our very robust SAP applications. And of course, aside from that, we also look at data. So later, my colleague will be discussing a more detailed on this one on SAP Business Cloud, Business Data Cloud. So with SAP Business Data Cloud, we are actually harmonizing data from SAP and not SAP sources. So we are eliminating a lot of, back and forth of information. All of this is sitting in one semantic layer, which is our SAP Business Data Cloud. And with the right data, when we bring the right data to these agents, we unlock continuous improvements in the organization. So the seamless integration of these three, the seamless integration of your application, your data, and AI, our unrivaled AI, we are able to deliver you with as a cycle of innovation. Now, let's look at our unparalleled application. I'm very proud of our applications. I've been using it for a very, very long time. So these are the characteristics of our application. The applications that we deliver lets you connect all lines of business in the organization. So from finance, supply chain, HR, even customer experiences there. It is a very comprehensive application. So it carries out all the core processes that you have today. And also, through our Vistas technology platform, we are able to enhance or extend our application based on your needs. And we're also able to integrate even to third-party application through our business technology and Catwell. We have the low-code, no-code tools that we can use, and we have the SAP built for enhancements and automation that that is needed for your organization. Backed by our experience in our expertise in the enterprise management, we have built our application to have is industry insights. So we are able to address specific needs for each sector, be it in manufacturing, retail, or service. Now let's look at data. Although my colleague will talk about it, I'll just probably give you a quick background of this one. So I mentioned earlier that our SAP Business Data Cloud harmonizes data from SAP and non-SAP. It's not just a data warehouse. Probably some of you technical guys would tell me that it sounds like a data warehouse, but it's not. It's actually a data fabric where all data are understood based on their business context. So we're able to bring together data from SAP and non-SAP data sources. So when you have an unmatched data, you're able to actually get transformative insight. These are a good example of this is being able to spot trends correctly and get real-time analytics. You connect all your data, so there's no more need for you to juggle different integration tools. Right? You have SAP integration tools, you have non-SAP integration tools, you have a very connected. So it's a single source of truth for you. And once you have the right data, you will be able to get a more accurate prediction using our AI technology. So if you look at our unrivaled AI, I would say unrivaled AI. So our AI is actually embedded in our SAP application where it matters most. When I say when it matters most, because today I would say that our AI is not on the on-premise solution that you have. It's only available for our cloud solution. So this is beyond basic automation. It's about uh, the AI agents collaborating with each other. They're taking cues from one another. Example, in my example earlier about the supply chain finance and the workforce agents collaborating with each other, this is where our AI is actually excelling. So I will not talk about this. My colleague Lyndon will talk about this later in more detail, and so that you could feel the use cases and scenarios where it applies. So this is at the whole. This is uh, the grand SAP Business Suite architecture. This is a culmination of our vision. It contains application, which is our cloud, SaaS Cloud ERP. It has our business technology and platform that lets you integrate and extend your solution. At the heart of it would be our SAP Business Data Cloud. Okay, and of course, we for all lines of businesses we have AI capabilities. These are the agents. I think the which one, the purple one, which is orchestrated by Joe. Later, my colleague Lyndon will talk about this in more detail. So, uh, executives, I talk about the executives. In the new era of enterprise management, they do things differently already because they are given with AI insights, AI driven insights that will help them decide for their business. But the new change is that they no longer decide for their specific business unit. They decide as a whole, collectively. And that in that way it will benefit the whole organization. So how do we get there? So how do we get there to that SAP Business Suite architecture that I talk about earlier? So there are two journeys, okay? The Rise with SAP journey and the Grow with SAP journey. The Rise with SAP journey is our a journey for our customers who are using SAP applications today. They are they may be on ECC, some of them may be on S4HANA already, outdated version or even dated version. But this Rise with SAP is a journey towards cloud. And whereas this is the Grow with SAP, this is intended mostly for our new customers. So let me talk about the Rise with SAP. I have a customer today who is already on Rise with SAP. Okay, so you could start from your existing system and you journey to your North Star, which is the SAP Business Suite, with the use of Rise with SAP. So we have a proven Rise with SAP methodology. So your journey actually is guided. So we provide you with proven methodology. It has the standardized framework, which is our SAP Activate methodology. You could leverage on our integrated tools for your transformation journey, as well as make use of the expert guidance that SAP and our partners are providing. So When you go to Rise with SAP, you're moving your business operation to the cloud, which gives you the agility to innovate faster. Okay? And we protect your investment. Later, we will discuss this in more details. So this is their journey. I talk about this. So let me talk about the standardized framework. This is actually our activate methodology. It begins, this is the whole journey. It begins with assessing your requirements. Normally, this is carried out through our digital discovery assessment. So we understand your needs. We understand how we would want to help you transform our journey towards the Rise with SAP. Till the time realize it, do the configuration, deploy it, and monitor the whole operation. But in all of this journey, we have some SAP recommended applications that will help you in this journey. Though my colleague Estelle will talk about this later. So in each of those phases of the project implementation, there are several tool chains that you can make use of. We have SAP Signavio for your business process improvements. We have LeanIX for understanding your enterprise architecture and your technical and business architecture and what would be the targeted state of your business, as well as adoption and enablement. So we have WalkMe and Enable Now. And of course, in the whole project life cycle, from the time you start a project to the time you execute it, we have the SAP Cloud Application Lifecycle Management or the Cloud ALM. All of this, I would say, the Cloud ALM, the one at the bottom part, is included in the Riser journey, but the three others are all licensed separately or engaged separately. So, how do you get expert guidance from SAP? We have SAP advisors and SAP architects. The advisors will help you initiate a project and then board you during your rise with SAP journey. Our architects would include our enterprise architects as well as our technical or cloud architects. So these cloud architects will do the technical assessment for you and will help you during your HANA sizing activity. So, of course, don't forget we have our very qualified partners who can help you implement the Rise with SAP. They are certified and they have experience on Rise with SAP augmentation. So, in terms of cloud, because this is new to you, I talk about cloud agility. So, we want you to be comfortable moving to cloud. So these are the set of securities and compliance that we have, be it ISO related security, be it SOP related securities, we have that. Even privacy and industry specific requirements is also adhered to by SAP. And how do we protect your investment? This is an interesting topic, actually. Okay. So, actually, I'm not in the right position to talk more about this. So, we have transformation incentives to offset your cost of migration and adapting to new technologies. This is very new to us. It wasn't there before. Uh, our AEs who are here today would be able to help you understand more about this, and they will be able to give you more details about this transformation incentive. So now I wanted to talk about the Grow with SAP. Okay, the Grow with SAP is a new journey that you can take towards this new era of enterprise management solution. It's a fresh start. So initially, it was intended for our net new customers, for new customers coming into SAP family. But we noticed that there are a lot of customers that SAP has today who would wanted to do a really fresh start. Example of this are customers who says, Beth, I've been using my SAP for like 10 or 15 years already. My data I don't know if my data is still okay. I have changed a lot of people already. And the organization has grown and we need to, reorganize our master data. Then we would do a fresh start. And that is made possible through our Grow with SAP journey. So Grow with SAP, I will skip this one. Grow with SAP is a pure SaaS solution. It is based on our 50 years plus of experience so enterprise management solution. It's a totally new product, but it has all the capabilities for you to carry out your business on a day-to-day basis. From customer experience, spend, supply chain, human capital, and financial management. So the core processes is actually sitting on the lead to cash, source to pay, and record to report. To some of you, it may sound like your MM, your SD, and your FICO, right? But it could also cater to your customers who are into product creation, product centric, like those who are in the retail or those who are in, in the services space. All of that can be addressed by Grow with SAP. So, though this is a new application, it has all the core capabilities of your required for your business operations. So this is a more detailed presentation of what it can do, from sales, billing, services, procurement, invoicing, uh, planning of your inventory, delivery to your customer, getting your financial record. All of this is also available with Groovit SAP. Some of our customers are actually deploying it what we call the two-tier type of application, where the headquarter office may be on RISE because they have been using SAP for a very long time already, and they wanted to migrate their data towards the cloud, which is the RISE with SAP. And then they would have some subsidiaries that will be that they wanted also to make use of the SAP application. They can also uh, have the grow with SAP. So the integration is seamless between the two. So this is more of what would be the components of our Grow with SAP. So we have the SaaS Cloud ERP. This is your core or the digital core. And then it is complemented through our Grow Premium offering. It's complemented by other solutions. It includes the Sales Cloud, the Concur Expense for Premium Edition. Concur will also be talked about today. And then if you wanted to add additional capabilities within the SAP portfolio, we have for like IBP for planning for your sales and operation. And then we have as success factors for our human capital management side of things. So lastly, I want to talk about the SAP Business Technology Platform. We wanted you to have a clean core approach where your core application is clear and all other enhancement is done through our business technology platform. You could integrate using our integration suite, and you could always build or enhance the application through our SAP build and process automation. With that, I end my presentation. Any question from my beautiful audience today? Nothing. So if not, thank you very much. I'll be around. If you have questions, please feel free to reach out. Thank you so much.